breaking ham and cheese roll recipes. Hello, welcome to Cooking with Rosa. My name is Rosa Isela. Today we are going to prepare some ham and cheese rolls. These are very easy to prepare. I chose the ingredients. We are going to use a slice of ham, one for each roll. In my case, we made 2 rolls. For to prepare the rolls, we are going to use with flour 3 and striped breadcrumb. The wheat take a slice of ham, 2 slices of cheese, and we will begin to fold like this. We beat the egg. We toast a rolls and with pay is toast flour and for and again. After in the break onset again. And so we continue with the next and we'll fill the rolls ready. In hot oil, we start by frying the rolls. As they brown, we turn them over, and when they are golden brown on all sides, we are removing them to a plate. And here are our breaded rolls ready for to delight our palate. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.